And lastly, a bench of Justices B.V. Nagratna and K.V. Vishwanathan has directed that over 1.2 crore already deposited by contractor firm Kotia Projects be disbursed to the families of 14 victims, that is 12 children and 2 teachers who lost their lives in the Harni Lake boat tragedy in Vadodara in January last year. The court noted that around 81 lakh and another 30 lakh had been deposited before the Deputy Collector Vadodara and ordered that these amounts be released on a rational basis within 6 weeks. The firm told the court that it had no objection to this compensation being distributed to the families, and the court recorded this assurance before issuing its directions. At the same time, the top court issued notice on the firm's SLP challenging Gujarat High Court's order which had held Kotia Projects liable to pay the entire 4 crore compensation amount. For now, the Supreme Court has stayed that High Court direction. The High Court had calculated compensation based on principles from the Motor Vehicles Act, as there is no specific law for compensation in boat tragedy cases. The top court has also allowed Kotia Projects to file applications before the High Court to include its joint venture partners and the insurance company as parties in the case. Earlier, the High Court had rejected the firm's plea to involve the insurance company, stating that internal disputes or insurance coverage do not affect the firm's liability to the victims. The court also dismissed the contractor's review petition as misconceived, rejecting its claim that the firm's earlier lawyer had exceeded his authority while admitting liability. Now, as the firm challenges that order in the Supreme Court, the court has ensured that at least immediate relief is given to the grieving families while the larger legal dispute over full compensation continues.